Should athletes be consuming sports drink? Now, if you're working out for about half an hour or 45 minutes, there is no need to consume a sports drink. Just plain water is adequate. Now, who needs to consume a sports drink? If you're working out beyond 45 minutes and 1 hour, or if you're also working out for shorter duration but you have a higher intensity need, then definitely a sports drink is a value addition. Sports drink offers carbohydrates about 6 to 8%, which is similar concentration of what the blood has. So it is very helpful in providing continuous energy. So high intensity performance is totally dependent on carbohydrates like simple sugars. Similarly, if you're working out for beyond 1 hour, there is a sustained need for the energy, and these simple sugars, be it glucose, dextrose, or fructose, can give you that energy boost for prolonged workouts. They also help in hydration. They give you electrolytes, and which can help in muscle function or contraction, and they can prevent cramping. So the tip here is, remember, if you're consuming the energy drink or sports drink, you have to remember that these sports drink have to be mixed in the right proportion, and the dilution has to be taken care that you do not make it concentrated where you think more is helpful. That's not good at all, because then you can have insulin spikes, and that can again lead to an energy slump. So remember to use the right portion or the volume of water for the dilution. Also, now these sports drinks can contain phosphoric acids and they can corrode the enamel. So you can take care to either drink from a straw whenever possible, or you can always rinse your mouth after consuming the sports drink. So I hope this tip helps you. Should you work out in a fasted state? Now, there is no blanket rule to say that you should eat or should not eat before your exercise. Now, that is totally dependent on your exercise goals. Somebody who is looking for a high intensity workout or for a longer duration of exercise like an endurance event has to definitely consume a carbohydrate pre-workout snack that can enhance your exercise capacity or performance. Now, who are the ones who may look at a fasted exercise state? Somebody who's looking at fat burning can look at consuming a protein before your workout, so that you are looking at switching batteries. It's like a petrol car and a diesel car. You have certain exercise systems that the body uses for energy, and the typical one being the petrol car, which is your carbohydrate, which becomes your energy source for your workouts. Now, somebody who is looking at weight loss or fat burning can do fasted workouts, whereas when your petrol is low, the body looks at an alternative source of your energy or fuel. That is when the liver glycogen is low and your blood sugars have been exhausted. Then the body can look at fat burning or looks for fat as the source of fuel. So it just looks at another source of energy for your exercise. So if you are working out in a fasted state, however, do remember you may not be able to pull off that entire duration of workout if you are feeling a bit sluggish or you're tired. So you may want to give this a go and see if this style of your exercise may be suitable for your body type and fitness goal. Is it important to consume a pre-workout snack? The answer lies in what are your fitness goals. If you're looking for a high intensity workout or a longer duration of workout, definitely consuming a carbohydrate snack before your workout can be very beneficial for improving your exercise capacity. So who are the ones who are benefited from exercising in a fasted state? Somebody who is looking for weight loss or fat burning can be working out in a fasted state, or they can consume a protein before the workout. So when the blood sugars are low and the liver glycogen is low, the body looks at switching between fat burning and looks at fat as a source of energy. However, do remember that the conversion of the fat to energy is slower, and it can make you sluggish or not be energetic to complete your exercise duration. What are the nutrients a vegan athlete needs to take care of? Vegans are those who do not consume any animal products, be it dairy or any non-veg foods. So the primary important nutrient would be to ensure that there is adequate protein in the meals. Now, pulses and dals lack one part of the amino acid called methionine, and similarly, the rice and other grains lack lysine. So it's a good idea to combine these as idli, dosa, poha, like bisibele bath, where there is a combination of the rice and the dal in order to increase the amino acid profile. Now, the most important nutrient or the amino acid that comes from the dairy is the leucine, and leucine is known to enhance muscle protein synthesis. So, the vegans can look at consuming corn, which is very high in leucine. Now, other than complementation, you have to ensure that there is protein in all meals so that you are having adequate protein source throughout the day, and remember to distribute them. Now, apart protein, you have to take care of B12. Now, B12 is also another very vital nutrient for energy metabolism, and that's derived from only non-vegetarian foods. So, the only way to procure that in a vegetarian meal would be to use nutritional yeast. Similarly, vitamin D, very difficult to get in vegetarian food. So, sun-grown mushrooms are the only option, and that too, it offers only vitamin D2. So, do not forget to soak some sun between 10 to 12. Now, having completed protein, vitamin B12, vitamin D, another vital important nutrient for a vegetarian or a vegan athlete is iron. Now, in vegans, you get the iron from plant source, and that is called the non-heme iron, where the body does not optimally use it. So, it is best to use some amount of vitamin C in your meals when you're eating a iron-rich food, be it dark green leafy vegetables or your pulses like chole. You have to just squeeze a dash of lime so that the iron helps in the absorption or the conversion of these iron. So I hope these tips have been helpful to you, and use these tips